Hello, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Tamron 15-30mm. It's a wide angle lens for Nikon or Nikon FX lenses. So without further ado, here's the unboxing. Oh, look, we got a warranty note here. As I mentioned, it's the 15-30mm 2.8 Tamron. I mean, look at this thing. It's a huge beast. Weighs a ton, but it's supposedly the best wide-angle lens you can buy. I bought it on Amazon for almost 900 bucks. Well, look at this thing. It's a huge beast. That's the front element. Man, this thing's huge. So this is a vibration reduction or control, autofocus manual. Yep, so there we go. Quick unboxing of the Tamron 15-30. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.